Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a low mileage 2011 Chevy Cruze LT. Stock number Z7770X. Only 49,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Black granite metallic in color. Cruze is a very safe vehicle. 5-star front and side government crash rating. Keeping your family and friends safe and your insurance costs down. Seats 5 with a cloth interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Nice sized trunk. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. This LT has keyless entry with remote start. Power windows, locks, mirrors. Large, easy. Again, only 49,000 miles with driver information system. Cruise control. Steering wheel mounted audio controls so you can keep your hands on the wheel. Easy to operate radio and CD player. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use. Heating and air conditioning. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Storage in the armrest with USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those mobile media devices. And a spacious glove box with the owner's material inside. Under the hood, this Cruze has a 1.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder. 138 horsepower. This engine gives you the best of both worlds. Power when you need with a turbo, otherwise excellent fuel economy. EPA average of 26 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 38 on the highway. All that with new tires. For more information on this Cruze, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.